Kung bibigyan kita ngayon ng 5,000 pesos, paano mo ito papalaguin? Hey guys, this is John M. I'm here in Club Galaxy, Boracay, together with
Glide.
How young are you?
I am 23 years old.
What is your vital statistics?
34, 24, 36.
I appreciate the number, Glay, pero dito sa amin hindi kami naniniwala sa numbers, kaya paring Makoy, pakita mo! Ano yung pinaka-dream mo?
Actually, my dream is to be a teacher, but for now, I think it's not really practical.
Bakit naman?
Given the salary.
Pero alam mo, Glay, ang pagiging teacher ang pinaka-noble profession dito sa buong mundo. At kailangan natin ng maraming teachers sa ngayon. So, aside sa salary, ano pa yung nag-i-stop sa'yo na ituloy mo yung pangarap mo?
Actually, for now, I'm still experiencing life. But I believe that maybe next year or this year, ma-achieve ko na yung pinaka-dream job ko sa buwan.
Feeling ko, pag college ang tinuruan mo, marami nang hindi mag-a-absent at malilate. Ano yung pinaka-subject na gusto mo ituro?
I am a social studies teacher.
Oh, napapanahon, Ma'am Glay. Glay, let's say for a first date, do you mind na ikaw ang una magbayad sa first date o still, guy pa rin dapat?
Honestly speaking, I don't mind.
Talaga?
Yeah.
That's an answer that I'm not expecting anymore sa panahon natin. Pero why?
Kung genuine naman, siguro yung kasama ko. And it really doesn't matter with me kasi kung deserving naman yung kasama ko, why not?
Delikado ka, Glay. Marami mag-add sa'yo ngayon. Gusto ko malaman, kung bibigyan kita ngayon ng 5,000 pesos, paano mo ito papalaguin?
It will be a lot of help sa mother ko since we're planning to start a business in Palawan.
Talaga?
Yeah.
What kind of business?
My mother is a dressmaker and we're planning to start yung fabric sa clothes. Yeah.
You know what, Glay? I'm in the business of connecting dreamers to investors. Marami nanonood sa atin ngayon ng mga investors na fashion designer or mga pabrika ng tela. This is your chance. Guys, mag-invest kayo kay Glay. Naniniwala ako sa kanya at sa mother niya. So, invite them.
I believe na magiging successful yung plan namin ng mother ko since we've been planning it for years. Pero we wanna make sure that everything is okay before we give our best or before kami tumodo sa business.